Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail. First question, what is the current exemption limit of income tax for general citizens? Options 2.50 lakh per annum, 3 lakh per annum, 2 lakh per annum, 2.20 lakh per annum. Correct answer is option 1, 2.50 lakh per annum. Next. The only woman who holds a post of Finance Minister of India is options Indira Gandhi, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sucheta Kripalani, Sarojini Naidu. Right answer is option 1, Indira Gandhi. Next. Taxes levied and collected by the Union but assigned to the states within which they are leviable. Find out the correct option from below. First statement, taxes on transactions in stock exchange. Option 2, tax of sale and purchase of newspapers including advertisement. Option 3, estate duty in respect of property other than agricultural land. Fourth statement, stamp duties and duty of excise on the medical and toilet preparations. And the options, all are correct. Option 2, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option 3, only 1 and 2 are correct. Fourth option, only fourth and first statement are correct. Correct answer is option 2. 1, 2 and 3 statements are correct. Next. Which article of Indian Constitution defines the state? Options, Article 9, Article 11, Article 10, Article 12. Answer is option 4, Article 12. Next. Procedure for the amendment of the Constitution is taken from options Russia, USA, South Africa, Canada. Answer is option 3, South Africa. Next. How many members are elected in the Lok Sabha from the Union Territories? Options 22, 30, 35, 20. Correct answer is option 4, 20 members. Next. Which ex-Prime Minister of India did not present the Union Budget of India? Options Morarji Desai, Rajiv Gandhi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Indira Gandhi. Correct answer is option 3, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next. Who is the current IRDA chief? Options T.S. Vijayan, Rana Pratap, K.T.S. Tulsi, J. Harinarayan. Answer is option 1, T.S. Vijayan. Next. What is the minimum age to become a member of Lok Sabha? Options 30 years, 35 years, 25 years, 18 years. Right answer is option 3, 25 years. Next. From which country the concept fundamental duties in Indian Constitution is taken? Options USA, South Africa, Russia, Canada. Answer is option 3, Russia. Next. The concept of federal system in Indian Constitution is taken from options Germany, Canada, Australia, Ireland. Answer is option 2, Canada. Next. Which committee recommended the establishment of IRDA? Options P.N. Mehrotra Committee, D.R. Gadgil Committee, R.N. Malhotra Committee. Option 4, Raj Manar Committee. Right answer is option 3, R.N. Malhotra Committee. Next. What is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha envisaged by the Constitution? Options: 535 members, 545 members, 552 members, 550 members. Right answer is option 3, 552 members. Next. What is the strength of total elected members of 14th Lok Sabha? Options: 552, 543, 550, 545. And the answer is option 2, 543. Next. Along with banking services, insurance sector contribute about how much percent of GDP of India? Options: 13%, 9%, 7%, 10%. Answer is option 3, 7%. Next. When was IRDA established? Options: 2001, 1999, 1954, 1965. Answer is option 2, 1999. Next. During the proclamation of emergency is in operation, the term of Lok Sabha may be extended at a time for a period not exceeding. Options: depend upon the discretion of the President, 2.5 years, 1 year, 1.5 years. And the answer is option 3, 1 year. Next. Which feature of Indian Constitution is not taken from American Constitution? Options: fundamental rights, single citizenship, judicial review, preamble. Answer is option 1, single citizenship. Next. Which of the following is the actual definition of states in the Indian Constitution? Options: Parliament of India, State Assembly and President of India. Option 2. Government and Parliament of India and the government and the legislature of each of the states and all local or other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the Government of India. Option 3. Government and the legislature of each of the states and all local authorities within the territory of India. Option 4. Government and the legislature of each of the state and all the local authorities. Correct answer is option 2. Government and Parliament of India and the government and the legislature of each of the states and all local or other authorities within the territory of India or under the control of the Government of India. Next. Emergency provisions in India Constitution is taken from. Options: Japan, Canada, Australia, Germany. Correct answer is option 4, Germany.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.